Hey there, I just want to give you guys a few pointers on how to complete problem 3 in homework 40. So the key is understanding what the information is that is given to us. And so let's take it line by line. The first sentence here says the equation for line BC is x equals 10. So a lot of students assume that that means that the length of BC equals 10. That is not the case. Otherwise, it would have said so. Instead, what it says is the equation for the line BC, right? Notice that there are two arrows. It's real small, but those are two arrows on either side of the line above BC. That means it's describing a line that goes through the point B and the point C. All right, and it is giving us the equation for that line, the equation being x equals 10. And what that tells us is that this is a vertical line that is at the x coordinate of 10 the whole way up and down. Okay, this is a vertical line where x equals 10. From that, we can derive the information that point C has the coordinates 10, 0. Okay, we know the x coordinate from the fact that it is on that vertical line. And we know the y-coordinate because it is on the x-axis. Now, from the information we know about the coordinate C and the fact that A is at the origin, if we wanted to find the distance between A and C, well, that's real easy. We'll look at the difference between 10, 0, and 0, and that's 10. And that's what we're asked to find in 3A. So now we know the distance of AC, and that's what we get for 3A. Now, looking at 3B, we're asked to find the length of BC, okay? Well, if we set our perspective, right, if we draw our stick figure here at the origin, this is kind of where we set our perspective from this angle BAC. If we set up a tangent equation, right, well, BC is the opposite side when we have that perspective. So the tangent of BAC, right, equals opposite, so that's BC, over adjacent, well, that's AC. Okay, AC is the adjacent side when we are setting our perspective at the origin. And what we can set that to, well, we know that BC is what we want to find. We know that AC is 10. We found that in the first part. And now let's take a look at that second piece of information we're given in the problem itself, and that is that the tangent of BAC equals 12 over 5. So we can use that. We've basically got an equation with ratios here, and we can use this, cross multiply these, set up an equation to solve for BC, right? When we cross multiply, we get 5BC equals 10 times 12. So that's 5 times BC equals 120. BC equals 120 divided by 5. And so when I put that in my calculator, I see the BC equals 24. All right, so I can replace opposite here with 24. And I have solved for the length of the segment BC. So hopefully that should give you a good setup. Try and figure out 3C and 3D on your own going from there. Thanks.